Welcome to a journey to the ends of the earth, a place of breathtaking beauty and profound mystery. We are about to explore a continent that defies expectations, a land of ice and extremes. This is Antarctica, a realm unlike any other. Prepare to have your perceptions challenged. What if I told you that this vast, frozen expanse, home to colossal ice sheets and towering glaciers, is actually the world's largest desert? It's a surprising truth that reveals much about our planet. In this video, we will uncover why Antarctica holds this unique title. We will also dive deep into the incredible lives of the creatures that call this harsh environment home. Their adaptations are nothing short of miraculous. My name is your name/channel name, and I am thrilled to be your guide on this extraordinary expedition. Our goal is to educate and inspire you about the wonders of Antarctica. We hope to foster a deeper appreciation for its delicate ecosystems. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this magnificent continent. Discover its unparalleled beauty and the urgent need for its protection. This is Antarctica, a place of wonder and resilience. The concept of Antarctica as a desert often puzzles people. When we think of deserts, images of scorching sands and arid landscapes typically come to mind. However, the scientific definition of a desert is based on one crucial factor: precipitation. A desert is an area that receives very little rainfall or snowfall throughout the year. It is not defined by its temperature, but by its extreme dryness. Antarctica fits this definition perfectly, despite its icy appearance. This frozen continent receives an average of less than 200 millimeters of precipitation annually. Much of this falls as snow, which is then locked away in vast ice sheets. This minimal moisture classifies it as a polar desert. The extreme cold plays a significant role in this dryness. Temperatures are so low that any moisture in the air freezes instantly. This prevents evaporation and keeps the atmosphere incredibly dry. The massive ice cover across Antarctica is not a result of abundant rainfall. Instead, it is accumulated frozen precipitation over millions of years. This ice acts as a permanent reservoir, not a source of moisture for the land. Other factors contribute to Antarctica's arid conditions. Its high altitude, particularly on the polar plateau, means thinner air and less moisture. Strong katabatic winds also sweep across the continent, further drying the landscape. These powerful winds can evaporate any surface moisture, leaving the ground parched. They also redistribute snow, preventing it from accumulating evenly. This creates vast areas of exposed, dry land. So, despite its seemingly endless supply of ice, Antarctica is indeed Earth's largest desert. It is a testament to how diverse and complex our planet's climates can be. This unique environment shapes every aspect of life found here. Life in Antarctica is a masterclass in adaptation. The animals here have evolved incredible strategies to survive the brutal cold, fierce winds, and scarcity of resources. Their resilience is truly inspiring. Penguins are perhaps the most iconic residents of Antarctica. Species like the emperor and Adelie penguins thrive in this harsh environment. They possess a suite of remarkable adaptations. Their thick blubber provides an essential layer of insulation against the freezing temperatures. Dense, waterproof feathers create an additional barrier, trapping air close to their bodies for warmth. Specialized blood vessels in their flippers and feet minimize heat loss. Penguins also exhibit fascinating social behaviors, such as huddling together in large groups. This collective strategy helps them conserve body heat during blizzards. They are also expert swimmers and divers, perfectly streamlined for hunting fish and krill in icy waters. Seals are another prominent group of Antarctic inhabitants. Weddell seals, for example, can hold their breath for an astonishing 80 minutes. This allows them to hunt under the ice for extended periods. Their thick blubber layers are crucial for insulation. Leopard seals are apex predators of the Antarctic waters, known for their powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They hunt penguins and other seals, showcasing the food chain's intensity. Elephant seals, the largest of all seals, can weigh up to 4 tons. Their immense size helps them retain heat. Whales undertake epic migrations to feed in the rich Antarctic waters. Species like humpbacks and blue whales travel thousands of miles to feast on krill. Their massive blubber layers provide insulation in the frigid ocean. Baleen whales possess specialized plates in their mouths that filter vast quantities of krill from the water. This efficient feeding mechanism supports their enormous size. Their presence highlights the abundance of krill in the Southern Ocean. Antarctica is also a haven for numerous seabirds. Albatrosses and petrels soar gracefully above the waves, covering immense distances. Their waterproof feathers and efficient flight patterns are key to their survival. These birds often nest on the continent's rocky outcrops, returning year after year. They feed on fish and krill, playing a vital role in the marine ecosystem. Their long lifespans are a testament to their successful adaptations. At the base of this incredible food web lies krill, tiny crustaceans that are surprisingly abundant. These small organisms are the primary food source for almost all Antarctic wildlife. Without krill, the entire ecosystem would collapse. Every creature, from the smallest krill to the largest whale, demonstrates an extraordinary ability to adapt. Their lives are intricately linked, forming a delicate balance in one of Earth's most extreme environments. Their survival is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Despite its remote location, Antarctica is not immune to the impacts of human activity. This pristine continent faces significant threats, primarily driven by global climate change. The consequences are far-reaching and alarming. The most pressing danger is the warming of our planet. Rising global temperatures are causing Antarctica's ice sheets and glaciers to melt at an accelerated rate. This melting contributes directly to rising sea levels worldwide. The loss of ice also threatens the habitats of countless species. Penguins rely on stable ice for breeding and foraging. Seals use ice floes for resting and raising their young. Disruptions to these critical environments can have devastating effects on populations. Another serious concern is overfishing, particularly the harvesting of krill. As the foundation of the Antarctic food web, krill are essential for the survival of whales, seals, penguins, and many other species. Unsustainable fishing practices could deplete this vital resource. Such depletion would have catastrophic ripple effects throughout the entire ecosystem. It could lead to widespread starvation and population declines among krill-dependent predators. The delicate balance of life here is incredibly fragile. Pollution is also an increasing problem, even in this remote wilderness. Plastic waste, carried by ocean currents, is found on Antarctic shores and in its waters. This pollution poses a direct threat to marine life, which can ingest or become entangled in debris. Microplastics are also a growing concern, entering the food chain and potentially impacting the health of all organisms. Protecting Antarctica requires a global effort to reduce waste and prevent its spread. Fortunately, there are significant conservation efforts underway. International agreements, such as the Antarctic Treaty System, designate the continent as a scientific preserve. They prohibit military activity and promote environmental protection. Organizations worldwide are working to establish marine protected areas and advocate for sustainable fishing practices. These initiatives are crucial for safeguarding Antarctica's unique biodiversity. We all have a role to play in protecting this magnificent continent. Learning more about Antarctica and its challenges is the first step. Supporting conservation efforts, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for sustainable policies are vital actions. We have journeyed through Antarctica, uncovering its surprising identity as the world's largest desert. We have marveled at the incredible adaptations of its unique wildlife. We have also confronted the serious threats it faces. Antarctica is a place of unparalleled beauty, resilience, and scientific importance. It is a vital indicator of our planet's health. Its future depends on our collective actions and commitment to conservation. Let us remember the delicate balance of life in this extreme environment. Let us be inspired by the ingenuity of its creatures. Let us work together to protect this precious wilderness for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found this journey informative and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Give this video a like to help us share Antarctica's story with more people. Your support helps us continue to educate and advocate for the protection of our planet's most extraordinary places. We encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.